Ladies and gentlemen, will you please stay to watch our video? Oh, hello, I'm Kiwi. I'm from my Super Chef. Today we're going to make a very crispy spring rolls. There's lots of varieties across Asia. It's okay for vegetarians to eat because it has no meat, just veggies. Crunching. Action! First, we've got some dried fungus. It's shredded. And then we're going to put it in some water for 15 minutes. And you look like this. And we've got dried mushrooms. They're hard. And then put it in some water for best of overnight. Gonna need a carrot and vermicelli. And the spring roll. You see, it says spring roll pastry here. Spring roll pastry, and the spring roll pastry. We need a knife and a chopping board. Let's start. Now we're gonna put some water into the vermicelli. Now we're going to set this aside. Wow, the color changes as you put it in there. Now we're going to soak up the mushrooms and the fungus. Now we're going to cut the carrot apart. Woohoo! I'm the dad, I'm the mom, I'm the baby. Because to stick the spring rolls pastry together, we would need some glue. So we've got 2 tablespoons of water and 1 tablespoon of flour. Looks milky. I'm cutting this into as wide as the carrots. You can cut it now. You're going to squeeze out the water and then shred it. The mushrooms are thin, so we've got the vermicelli here, the carrots, the mushrooms, and the fungus. And now it's time to stir fry. Click the button below to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and you'll get notified if we have a new dish. It's down there. The subscribe button is down there. Come on, click on it. Click on it. To make it not dry out, we are going to put this over so it will not dry out. To close the lid, to close the cling wrap, every time you finish, remember, put it to a diamond shape. I'm gonna get some filling. Or is that too much? Now we're going to roll this in. Add in the corners. So this one in, and this one in. Now add some glue. The thing that we made earlier. At the top corner, slop it down at the top corner. This is my spring roll. But you can't eat it yet. You have to cook it. Now these are ready to be fried. What is this for? Now I'm gonna try this. Really crunchy. Ooh. So delicious. Okay, bye-bye.